Hello friends, the last video we discussed about complementary angles. Now based on that some evaluate questions are there. You can see here sine 30 degrees by cos 54 degrees. So here in this question first we need to check whether the given angles are complementary or not. Complementary is nothing but when the sum of the two angles is equal to 90 degrees, then that angles are called complementary angles. You can see here 36 degrees and 54 degrees, ये दोनों को ऐड कर लो, 36 plus 54 90. It means what? They are complementary to each other. They are complementary to each other, right? So when they are complementary, now we can apply these complementary angles formulas. We can apply here. So इन दोनों में से आपको किसी एक वैल्यू को either numerator or denominator you have to write its complementary value. चलो, what I'll do it, I'll change this. What? See here, once you can see here, sine 36 degrees. In this place, sine 36, instead of 36, can I write like this? Sine 90 minus 54 हम लिख सकते हैं. Why? Because 90 minus 54, but both togetherly it gives 90. When we subtract 54 from 90, then it gives 36. मैंने क्या किया? In the place of 36, just I wrote here 90 minus 54. 90 minus 54, again it gives 36. I think here you don't have any objection here. Now, sine 90 minus theta, it is in this form. Sine 90 minus theta. Theta is nothing but here 54 degrees. So sine 90 minus theta, what can I write now according to complementary angles? Cos theta. So here cos theta के place में क्या लिखना है? 54 degrees, right? So with this I understood that in the numerator, in the place of sine 36, instead of sine 36, now I can write cos 54 degrees. Now take the question and evaluate. Our question is what? Sine 36 degrees by cos 54 degrees. What I did? Sine, either you can sine convert into cos or cos convert into sine. मैंने क्या किया? इस sine को converted into cos. Here sine 36. Sine 36 के place में हम लिख सकते हैं cos 54 degrees. Don't change the denominator, write same as it is. Cos 54 degrees. In numerator, denominator both are same, get cancel, then answer gives 1. In this way, we have to solve these questions. Hello, see, like with one more question. Cosec 18 degrees by secant 18 degrees by cosecant 72 degrees. So in this case, in this type of evaluation, first you need to check whether the given angles are complementary or not. See, 18 degrees plus 72 degrees, check कर लो, 90 आ रहा है, check करो. So 8 plus 2 10 carry 1, 7 8 9, so 90 degrees. Yes, they are complementary. Now we understood that. Now we have to apply complementary angles, sec and cosecant. So complementary angles, sec 90 minus theta, what we will get, we have to see now. So here apply complementary angle for sec 90 minus theta. Its value is what? It becomes cosecant. Same as it is cosecant 90 minus theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta is equal what? Secant theta. So we have to think that whether this secant value convert into cosecant or cosecant convert into secant. Both the things. If sec convert into cosec, then both the values will get cancelled. Okay, what I'll do? I'll take numerator. See here, what is that? Secant 18 degrees. Can I write like this? Instead of 18, it's a complementary. 18 complementary 72. 72 complementary 18. So what I am doing here? 90 minus 72. If I subtract 72 from 90, again I get 18. So no objection here. So according to this, see, according to this identity, I mean this formula, complementary angle, sec 90 minus theta, it becomes cosecant theta, that is 72 degrees. So I understood that in the place of secant 18, now I can write cosecant 72. Yes, I can write. So now instead of secant 18 degrees. Now I'll write 72 degrees. See here instead of secant 18, cosecant 72 degrees divided by, already in the denominator what is there, cosecant 72 degrees, both will get cancelled, then answer you will get 1. In this way different types of models are there. I'll send in the description, you can do it.